channel. Today we are diving into one of the latest innovation from the OpenAI, the real-time APIs. These APIs has some amazing capability which will transform how we build a multimodal conversation experience, right? So essentially, as you can see in this slide here, so these are the core capabilities of this API, right? So first is low latency. So since this API, right, doesn't convert the audio to text, right, like the traditional approach, right? So that's why it provide a low latency, and this API provide text and audio support, right? And coming to the second capability, so essentially this API provide the WebSocket based communication, and this API is stateful, meaning this API has written all the conversation of a specific session, right? And this also support the function calling, right? Meaning in the model can make a call to the external system to provide or fulfill some of the requests, right? So for example, let's say during the conversation with through this API, right, if I ask for weather information, right, and whether the model doesn't have the weather information, right, so model will make a call to the weather API and will provide the weather information, right? So far now we know what this API offers. So now let's jump into the demo and see it in action, right? So to provide a demo, what I will do is I will use this OpenAI console application, right? And this application console application is available in this OpenAI GitHub, right? And so you can go ahead and download this console application from here, right? You can just go ahead and download it. And to set up this console application, we have to do a couple of things, right? So after downloading this console application, first we have to install the dependencies, so we can run this command npm i, right? And then we also need to set up a OpenAI API key, right, in that config file. And then third thing what we need to do is we need to just run the npm start command, right, in the VS Code. So it will start this console application on this localhost 3000 port, right? So I have already done this. So let me just go to this console app, right? So this is the console app, right? And as you can see, this has a multiple functionality here, right? So first thing what we need to do to run this console application is we have to click on connect. So essentially what it will do is it will start the communication with the OpenAI API, right? And then it will use the web socket based communication, right? And to communicate this console application, there are two options. One is manual, right, where we can push and send the message to the model, and there is another option is where we don't have to manually push wait, right? So with this option we don't have to again press the button, right? It will continuously, we can talk with the model with this option, right? And as you can see in the right hand side, so basically in this console application, right, we can ask weather information, and then model will make a function calling and then make a API call and get the weather information, and which it will show here, right? And then third thing we can do here is we can also ask this console application like to save the information, right? And it will save this information, and then it will show that information here, right? So let me go ahead and click on connect to start this console application, right? And
hey there, how's it going?
all right, can you tell me the current president of United States?
I'm right here. What's on your mind today?
Okay, so I think I missed to click here. Let me just click here. Who is the president of United States?
As of October 2024, the President of the United States is Joe Biden. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Perfect. So as you can see, I just ask a basic question, and then this console application, it integrated to the open API, right? The real-time API, and it responded in the audio as well as in the text, right? So now let me ask a second question here, right? Let me ask the weather information about the Charlotte, right? So how is the weather in Charlotte?
Right now in Charlotte, it's about 21.5 degrees Celsius, with a wind speed of 20.5 kilometers per hour. Anything else you'd like to know?
Perfect. So as you can see, so when I asked for weather information about the Charlotte, it got the weather information, right, as a JSON object, and it also responded as a text also, right? And then it represented this information in this map, right? So as you can see, it highlighted the location, right? And then it also showed that temperature information here, right? So now let me do one more last thing here. Let me just ask to save this information in the memory. Can you save the Charlotte weather information?
I've saved the current weather information for Charlotte. Is there anything else you'd like to do?
All right. So as you can see, so this uh, console application saved this information in the local client side, and then it you can see this information available here also, right? So I think this brings this demo to the end, and essentially as in this video, right, we have seen the core capabilities of the OpenAI real-time APIs, and then we also gone through the demo which shows the some of the core capabilities. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.